Hello, I am going to do this different today. I hope you all don't mind. I have not been feeling real well, so I really don't want my face on camera today. And I had some boxes I need to get unboxed to show you all, so please forgive me. I plan on doing some more in the next few days, and hopefully I will feel like having my face on camera. I see a lot of other people do it this way, so I'm going to attempt to. So if you're new, please consider subscribing. I don't usually video this way, but like I said, I have not felt real good, and I just going to do it this way today. Please click the thumbs up button for me, and I thank you all so very much for watching. I was going to show you all what I got from, it was called The Box by, what is her name? Rachel Zoe, but she changed it, I think, last season to Curateur now. And this box is actually no longer available. This was her, I think, fall box. I did not get it until really late, because if you don't know about this box, she chooses some of the best products you can get in boxes. But her box is usually $99 for, it's a seasonal box, and I will not pay $99 for, I've never seen a box I will pay $99 for. But at almost the end of fall, I got an email with a free gift that I just loved and half off the box. I think it was like $49, and I could not resist that. But they didn't ship it out until they started shipping their winter boxes, because it was so late in the fall season that I ordered it. So I have not had this for very long, but like I said, this is their fall box, and they have a new one now, and I'm not as crazy about their winter box. I really did love the fall box, and I really did love, I think the free gift was my favorite product. So it comes in this, usually comes in this really huge box that I can't even get in the camera. I mean, it's huge, and comes like this, where you can, it's really huge, and it has her little booklet. It says Curateur, and I mean, she's very stylish. She chooses just really, really nice products. I've actually seen products in her boxes and past boxes that I just really loved, that I went on Mercari, however you say it, and purchased them because they were just so pretty. I'm going to show you all those, but I got them for really, really super good deals. So her book, it shows the things that you get. It talks about all kinds of cool things, styling tips. I've actually not went through this book to see exactly what kind of things are in here, but it looks really interesting. So let's see if there's a page here. I think there was a page here somewhere that talks about how much things are worth. Let's see. I'm looking. Okay, I know there was somewhere on here, or at least in the past there was. I think I've gotten 3 boxes, But like I said, I will not pay $99. I wait until the end of that season if I want it. And they almost always will send an email, sign up for their email list, and they will almost always send out an email giving a really good deal. It's usually only like $30 off. Every now and then you'll see 40, but I have yet to ever see half off, so I had to jump at this. And the first one is the Take It Anywhere tote. It says it's from her, the Rachel Zoe collection, and it is valued at $115. Like I said, this box is, regular price is $99. So I mean, even $99 is worth it. I'm just not paying that. I'm frugal and money is too tight to pay that kind of money, so I wouldn't pay it. But like I said, I got the whole box for $49. So let me see. This is the bag. It has the short straps. Here's the little, it says USD 115, Canada 125. It is the Rachel Zoe collection. Oops, let's see. I can get this off. Okay, let's see, lots of paper in it. I waited to do anything with it until I could show you all. So it has this pouch in it. Oh, cool, look, it comes off. And other than that, it's just a big empty pouch. I mean, a big empty bag. And then that just snaps back on there however you want it. That's the little zipper. It is a huge bag. I don't know what I would do with a bag this huge, except for maybe an overnight bag or something. That is really huge. This is something that I would carry back in the days when I had little bitty kids and needed to carry a few diapers or something and still wanted to look stylish and didn't want to carry a huge diaper bag. I would carry bags like this so I could just put a few baby things in it and still look like I was not carrying a diaper bag. So this is, look at that, isn't that pretty? This is another thing that came in the box. Let's see. I'm not sure how this fastens. I will have to figure that out. Oh, there, that came loose, but I'll have to figure out how. It has to be something like, there it goes. Okay, that's pretty cool. Look, and then it actually just connects like that, and then that fastens right back over it. Look how pretty that is. And let's see if I can find out what that retails for. Let's see. Wow, it says that retails for $350. Look. It says it retails, that choker retails for $350. Yes, I would never pay that kind of money. Wow. And then this was a choice. I can't remember what the other option was, but I chose these because they go with the necklace. Look how pretty. They are a bit heavy. The earrings says they retail for $195. Those are pretty. They're a little heavy. See that? $195 is what it says those earrings retail for. It says the always on trend yet timeless bold accessory at the top of our list for fall. Chain link earrings in stunning gold by Eddie Borgo. The latest favorite will take any look from day to night. Pair these earrings with its matching necklace for a show-stopping assortment of accessories. Plus, they are just fabulous when worn alone with your daily uniform. The necklace says, influenced by timeless beauty, this luxurious link necklace by Eddie Borgo speaks for itself. The clasp hides amongst the links to create an infinite and seamless aesthetic. The best part about it, it pairs well with just about anything. Wear dressy or casual, along with other simple or bold pieces from your jewelry collection. It's a classic and versatile favorite, forever favorite. And that's her, not her, but I don't know who that is, not Rachel Zoe, but this woman is wearing both of them. Very pretty. That's one of the reasons I wanted it, but like I said, the main reason I wanted it was for the free item because it was so pretty. And then I got Lift and Feel Form Control Marine Collagen Gel from Kat Berkey. I guess is how you pronounce it. Never heard of this, but looks like that. It has the regular little spout like a lot of serums do. Let's see, that retails for $160. Now is a good time to consider swapping out your old beauty products with ones that boost of clean ingredients like Kat Berkey. This jam-packed collagen formula is the key to unlocking plump, hydrated skin for a youthful complexion. Say bye-bye to uneven skin tone and fine lines that won't be missed. It says our skincare tips. Begin with applying the gel formula all over your face. Dab what's left on your fingertips to the areas that need a little extra nourishment. Next, layer on your go-to moisturizer and SPF if it's the AM to lock in hydration and protection. So, it's a nice glass bottle. I think I will try that tonight. And then, let's see what is next. Oh, here's the little pouch that the necklaces came out of. Oops, yeah, that's the... And then I got Anastasia Liquid Glow Highlighter. I think I just saw that here somewhere. Yeah, this retails for $25. Has the little tube there. Let's see. See there. It does have a nice glow. That would probably be nice mixed with a little bit of foundation or before the foundation. See, our beauty tips with your makeup brush or fingertips. lightly layer the highlighter to desired areas of the face. Pro tip, mix a drop in with your foundation for a dewy, radiant finish. No sun necessary. So that was the items that normally would come in the box. A very, like I said, from what I've read, she is very picky about what she will allow in her box, and she searches out only the best products. But like I said, it's $99 if you get it at the first of the season, and that's why I am showing it's past the season, because I did not get it until the winter, till they sent out the winter. I don't see the free gift in here. Yeah, I don't see the free gift shown anywhere in here, but if you see, I mean, she shows all kinds of styling things. She's a very stylish woman. But yeah, I don't see the free gift in here, and I don't remember the exact amount that it showed it was worth, but I know it was over $100. So I think this is the last box, so it has to be. Look at that, it come in a really pretty box. Look at that. This, like I said, this is what I was really wanting. I've been wanting, need to get earrings now. I've been wanting the black tassel earrings. So when I saw this, I just thought that was so pretty. Look how thick that chain is. Isn't that pretty? I mean, it's, yeah, I don't get the price that people charge for things. Okay, it has a tag on it, $125. And like I said, this came completely free, and also half off the entire box. If you watch, you can get some really awesome things from her if you are really watching. And like I said, sign up for their email, and they will email anytime they do specials. And I mean, if you've ever done it with them before, you will need to use a new email address, so you're a new customer. Yes, that's what I did, because it was half off the box, and this free, and so there was that free for a $49 box. Then this, what I say, it was valued at $350. The earrings, I think it said $175. I cannot imagine paying that kind of money for something that doesn't have like tons of diamond look. I mean, sparkles are, I know you're not going to buy tons of diamonds, but you know what I mean. That's what I picture in my head, not chain link earrings for $175. But it is beautiful. And then the Glow Getter, the serum, and this huge bag for $49. What do you think? I think that was a really good box. I think so. Yes, it would be worth the $99. I just prefer not to pay that kind of money for any kind of subscription box. So there was my box by Rachel Zoe, or the Curator, whichever you want to call it. I was just looking at the box. It says this box is made from 100% recycled material. Sustainability is always in style. Join our community by following us on Instagram at Curateur. That is Curateur. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.